Bumpy dating app. So what is that? So this is a new trending app. It's called Bumpy International Dating App. Here you can find it. Just interesting app for you to check out if you're not happy with Tinder or Badoo or Bumble. So that's the app you can try out. Find your international soulmate, meet real people around the world, make video calls globally, chat with anyone in any language. So yeah, this is the app for, I don't know, like international dating. So if you like long distance, not like finding long distance friends or probably dating or just traveling around the world, that's probably the app you can try. Now, I don't know how legit is this app. Are there a lot of bots here and or are all people here real ones? Because these dating apps can be super scammy and there can be a lot of AI bots which just want you to upgrade and charge money. So I don't know yet, but basically you can just send likes or just send that's basically how it works. And there are different types of profiles. You can just go and see the profiles. You can see the location. You can see different tags. And then here you can share a profile. You can block or report it. Then there are search filters. You can see the age. You can see location. You can also enable verified profiles only, but that requires gold subscription. That's what it is. Then you have your profile here. That's what it is. You have here, that's your idea. And then you have your map, attention. Then you can activate the boost. But to do that, you need to verify yourself. And then it just says that these are the people who liked you. And to see who liked you, again, you need to upgrade. So 1 month is $20, 1 week is $10, 3 months is $40 here. And then you also have chats. That's basically the idea of the app. As you can see, it's quite similar to Tinder. You have your verification here, which you can do. You can have all the different tags, which you can add all the different hobbies and things like that. And then the more you fill it, the better. And so basically that's what you have here. That's the app. Quite nice design, easy to use. Seems this is not like that one of that scammy apps. So just nicely built dating app. Again, this is mostly for international travel or international dating. So give it a try.